Hey guys, had to show you this. The last time I was through Needles, California, this place was open and brand new. As you can see, a lot of you probably know by those curved windows what this actually was, and it's amazing that this franchise is actually closed. Looks like they took the signage down, but very uncommon. I think a lot of you probably know what this was, and I don't think it was closed long from the fact that those palm trees were recently pruned. Anyways, if you didn't guess, it was Taco Bell, and those normally thrive. That is one of the highest net earnings fast food restaurants, we are told, and people all around. We're not going to try any doors. We can see everything pretty much from the windows. Let me see if I can get closer, guys, and give you a little walkthrough of what's in there. Let me unplug, get out of my car, being as I was being a little bit lazy here. I'll give you a little candid shot from inside. Always amazes me how they can spend $1 million on one of these buildings and run it for a year or two, and it just didn't work out. Anyways, I don't know if you can see anything through here. This is the drive-up window. Everything looks so nice and new inside. All these tables and chairs and booths, and I'm not sure if this is working out well for you guys to see, but if anybody wants to start a fast food restaurant along the highway here in Needles, California, there's some information on the door as to who to get a hold of. Yeah, I don't think this has been closed long, being as it's not overgrown. Somebody may be keeping up this property, the owner hopefully. Got a lot of money invested. Here's a little view from the front. Nice late model stuff in there. I don't think this was open a year or two. I would be very surprised. Anyways, just wanted to give you a look-see. Arizona, Needles, California. Actually, we've crossed over the line here, so if you're interested, there's Adam Farmer's phone number for you. Get involved. Nevada Arcade out.